Hello friends, today's unboxing comes courtesy of EPOMAKER. This is the EK-68 65% hot swappable mechanical keyboard. First of all, I've swapped in an alternative keycat set from the EPOMAKER website called Rome, and I love the black, cream and burgundy colour scheme. The default colourway that comes with the board is this pale grey bluish colour and grey green keycaps with yellow accents, which are also very nice, but I love the rich colours of the Rome set instead. So the EK-68 casing sadly isn't aluminium, which means this isn't as heavy as maybe a more premium build, but it still feels solid and the metal look grey frame looks and feels premium. This board is not only a USB-C wired board, but it also allows Bluetooth connectability with either the 2.4 or 5.0 Bluetooth, making this compatible with Windows or Mac. It also comes with a handy slot in the rear of the keyboard to house the Bluetooth adapter, which is nice because I always lose them. In wireless mode, the battery lasts a respectable amount of time and makes it perfectly portable. The frame has a nice slope profile with adjustable feet, which in turn have two raise heights depending on your preference. In any height, the keyboard felt secure and solid on my mouse mat. The board also features one of my must-haves in any board, a programmable knob. This is so good for adjusting volume quickly or muting your PC with a quick press. The keyboard of course has backlit RGB effects, which add a nice touch, but certainly wasn't my focus on this particular build. Moving on to the switches, the EK-68 has various options, but I chose the Flamingo switches. Why? Well, 1, they look nice, and 2, I've never used them before, so why not? And I haven't been disappointed. They feel similar to browns, which I usually opt for, and feel soft but responsive. So enough of me waffling on. I'm not an expert on keyboards, but this is a niche I'm really enjoying breaking into, so let's have a glass of the new Kraken limited edition rum and listen to this keyboard in action. This board currently retails at $80, so for me this is great value, but let me know what you think in the comments. My next video will feature the glorious GM MK Pro, so that's it for now. Remember to hit that subscribe button and thank you all for watching.